Hi, my name is Matt, and welcome to Midnight Candle Company. Hi, we're here at Midnight Candle Company. We have candles for sale over in this section. There's over 25 different fragrances available, all in different colors. And I have two different sizes. They burn for 65 hours and 50 hours each. Okay, in this section here, this is where we do our workshops. You come here, you get to make 3 candles. Your choice of fragrance, your choice of color. You have over 30 different fragrances you could choose from. You get to do everything yourself, customize labels. And it's also educational. You'll learn about different waxes, oils, and everything that goes into making a candle. Okay, so if you cannot make it to a workshop here on Main Street in Belmar, we have candle making kits for at home. You get to make 3 candles, the same exact candles that I sell or that you would make at the regular workshop. Comes with fragrance oil, 3 different containers, all the wicking that you need, over a pound of wax color. And for $10, you could purchase a pitcher, or you could rent one for $1 if you like. And as a company, we do like to give back, so we do offer fundraising programs. If you're a nonprofit, we offer 25% of our business. We will supply you with order forms, and you could do it online or in person as well. This is my wife and favorite helper, Christine.
We look forward to seeing you at a workshop soon.